walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, round hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Hey loves, as you guys can see from the title below, I will be sharing with you guys something that I love so much, and that is my new fragrances that I got from a company called, I'm not sure if I'm going to pronounce this right, but I do know I love their perfumes. It's called Dossier or Dossier. I will have it across the screen right here for you guys. You guys, they are the new wave, okay, for alternative, iconic fragrances, okay? You guys know I am a sucker for perfumes. Clearly, as you guys can see behind me, I actually need to get another one of these shelves to put all my other perfume in. And this is not my first rodeo with Dossier. I have collected a few of their perfumes because they're a relatively new company and they is popping, okay? So you guys know anytime I get, you know, something I want to share with you guys after I've had it for a while and things like that. This is actually my third go around with receiving some of their fragrances, and it is cruelty free. It's affordable, and you guys know who likes to ball on a budget on this channel. So it's like a fraction of the price that you would pay like in the mall, because you guys know these perfumes can be very expensive. Most of the bottles over here cost $100+. Some are $200. But holla at your girl. I got a coupon code down below. They fragrances are literally $29. And in the inside you get like a sample. Let me show you guys real quickly while I talk about the company and tell you guys what are my top fragrances, and let you guys know out of the 4 that I got, which one are my, well, I'll say my top 2. You know what? All of them are my favorite, but I'll let you guys know which one is my go-to, like for everyday purposes, things like that. So this is how it's come. Like I said, I don't know if it's Dossier or Dossier, but this is how it come packaged. And like I said, in the inside up here, you will receive like this little pamphlet right here. And as you guys can see, this is the sample one. So what you do is, before you open this big one, you're gonna go ahead and sample this one. If you do not like this fragrance, you just send it back. So it's like a win-win situation. You don't have to mess with this. Just open the little sample one and keep it moving. So like I said, I will have a coupon code down below. Holla at your girl. Y'all know I fucks with y'all. And also, I will have the link down below where you guys can go straight to the company. But let me tell you guys about them. They are a fair alternative to luxury perfumes. They are inspired by iconic scents. And you can discover so many different perfumes. You guys know I have so many different perfumes over here. Some I can't even display. Also, it's amazing quality. Like I said, perfumes are $100+. Theirs are only $29. Like I said, I will have a coupon code down below as well. Their perfumes last all day. They do have amazing quality perfumes. It's risk free. Like I said, you can sample it. If you don't like it, you can send it back. And you know, it's perfume. Who don't like perfumes? I love smelling good. You love smelling good, hopefully. And it's a win-win situation for everybody. So I will share with you guys what scents I got. And I also will have the links to the scents that I got down below if you guys want to go ahead, you know what I'm saying? So I will have the name of the scents down below. So like I said, this is how it comes packaged. Each box will have the scent that you got. The scent that I got right here is called Oriental 2. Guys, like I said, you can sample the scents. And this is a lot of sample, okay? You don't even get this much sample in the mall when you go to the mall and you spend on those $100 bottles. So just look at how big this sample is. And it just says, try this before opening the 50 milliliter bottle. Ugh. This smells so freaking good, you guys. And this is why I like it. This is actually my 3rd one from them. My 3rd. Let's see what this one is. This one is called Floral 2. You guys are not going to be able to see that from here. Like I said, each one of them come with a sample. Tell me where you know you're gonna get a free sample and some perfume for $20. And then let me show you guys how big the bottle is. If y'all sleeping, wake up, because I'm trying to put y'all on. You guys see that? This is a nice size bottle. This is not like one of those bottles where it's like this much perfume. This goes all the way to the top, as you guys can see. This one is more, the Floral 2 is more of a, this one is very, very light. This may be the lightest one that I have. It's just very, very light, but it smells so, so good. And with them, you guys, a little goes a long way. So if you get this for $29, you can literally wear this. Like, I remember one of mine lasted almost 2 months. And all you have to do is just, oh my God, it smells so. This one maybe, you know what? I don't know, guys. I'll have to tell you guys when I'm done because all of them literally are my favorite. This one is, oh, you guys, I forgot to tell you. It lets you know what the perfumes are inspired by. So the Oriental one is inspired by YSL's Black Optum. So I forgot to tell you guys, so I'm going to go tell you guys what the other ones are. So this one is inspired by YSL, and y'all know YSL is definitely not $29, okay? So let me tell you guys what this one smells like. You guys know what? This one is dead on, to be quite honest. I have YSL over there. This one is dead on. This one is definitely dead on. I just waste some. Yeah, that one is definitely dead on. And then I have one more. It's Floral 3. And this one is inspired by Mugler Alien. I think that's how you pronounce it. So that one is inspired by that. This is my first time trying this scent. This one is very, I can't describe what this one is very, it's, girl, it just smells good. This one would probably be my, out of the 4 that I got, probably my least favorite. It smells good, but I can't really describe like what it smells like. Maybe that's what it is. This one is Floral 2. This one, that's what it is. Gucci's Bloom. And you guys know I do have the Gucci Bloom. And then the other one was inspired by, oh my God, you guys know I have all the good girls. All, you know what? I could have just got it from here. I literally just recently, you guys saw on Snapchat, I purchased a new bottle of Good Girl and it was over $100 something. So yeah, this one is definitely inspired by the Carolina Good Girl. And y'all know I am a sucker for Good Girl. I love their fragrances. They smell so bomb. You guys know, like, if you've seen, I think I did an updated perfume collection and it's over there. Trust me, sweetie, it's over there. But if only I would have known that this is what this was inspired by, because I never looked to see what it's inspired by. And that's a good thing when you're online. If you do have perfumes at home, different fragrances like I have, you can, you know, reference this and you're good to go. So I did wanted to let you guys know about the amazing quality of this perfume. It's very, very like high-end perfume. The scents are very, very iconic. I think I lost my other one, but like I said, look at the size of these. These are huge. And I think this is definitely a fair alternative to high-end fragrances, because where can you go get any fragrances this big and I'll take it off. Of course, it sprays. This is not a roll-on like the other one, which is a sample, okay? Which, you guys, honestly, it's like you're getting a 2-for-1 deal, because my lash is always messing up when I'm filming, because you get this 50, this is 50 milliliters. The sample one can last almost up to 2 to 3 months. So it's like a win-win situation, because you can keep this one at home in your bathroom, you got the shower, you know, if you want to be smelling real sexy for your man, just and that's like, and that's it, girl. Let him hit that neck when he's kissing you, all that good jazz. Or if you want to just display it over there, because what I'm going to do is take these trays down by 1 row. I'm going to get another clear vase that I get from Z Gallery, and all the ones that I have, I'm going to display the smaller bottles on top like so, because I just feel like I wouldn't want to take these around in my purse. And like I said, it's a 2-for-1 deal for $29, because the sample that you get in your box, which is, you know, is risk-free. That's why if you don't like the fragrance, you can return it. You don't have to worry about this one. But the thing about it is why I say it's a 2-for-1, because you're getting this to stay at your house and put it on the dresser, cute for display like my perfume. And the travel one, I'm saying travel because to me it's a travel size, but even though they say that it's their sample, which is their sample, you can still use it to travel. What I mean by in your purse, ladies, or, you know, just whatever, your makeup bag, if you want to, you know, whatever. So yeah, definitely go check them out. Like I said, I will have their links below. I will say, out of all the ones that I got, the one that reminded me of Good Girl would have to be my top favorite out of the 4, and then the Inspired one by Gucci, then the YSL, and then the last one that I couldn't really put my fingers on. But you guys, all of them smell amazing. So definitely check the links down below. Like I said, it is cruelty free. They have amazing scents. It's affordable, and you guys know what I support on a budget. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You welcome. You welcome. Okay? $29 plus a coupon code. You're welcome. Don't say you never did nothing. Okay? So with that being said, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Snapchat get first dibs on everything. Snapchat seeing it first. And until next time, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your comments down below. Any video requests. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. And let me give you guys today's post notification shout out. Anytime you want to be shouted out in any of my videos, all you have to do is click subscribe, click the notification bell, and click done. So today's post notification shout out goes to Sanaya Williams. Thank you so much for turning on your post notification, and thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube family. I love you so much. And you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, you guys, bye.
Had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking